Pennsylvania makes thousands of data sets available to the public. Some are small sets for specific purposes, but many record thousands of items in wide data frames. I decided to explore the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation's crash data, which offers a depth of information on every recorded crash in the state going back to 1997. In my exploration, I wanted to look specifically at York County. I started by plotting every recorded accident in the county in 2016 to see if a pattern developed. Once plotted, the pattern was pretty obvious. The main north-south route of I-83 and the east-west Route 30 were full of accidents. Where those two roads meet is the epicenter of accidents in the county. This is not surprising, as they are the busiest roads in the county. When I plotted fatal accidents, though, they were spread all across the county. There is a cluster in the southern part of the county along 83 where PennDOT is already focusing on road improvements. The majority of fatal accidents in the county happen on rural roads, though. I'm hoping to explore how PennDOT categorizes these roads in an upcoming project. Next, I started exploring motorcycle crash data. In late 2003, the Pennsylvania State Legislature repealed a law requiring motorcyclists to wear helmets that was first enacted in 1967. I wanted to explore how fatalities had changed in the period since the law was lifted. Between 1998 and 2003, there were an average of 129 fatalities per year. From 2004 to 2016, the average increased to 199. That's an increase of 65% statewide. York County is in the top third of the state when it comes to fatal motorcycle accidents per capita. Fatalities increased by 63% after the helmet law was repealed. The county went from about 6 fatalities per year to 10 per year. Before 2004, the state did not track if drivers in motorcycle fatalities were wearing helmets, so we don't have data to compare on helmet wearing before the law was lifted. But there are trends when looking at crashes since 2004. In statewide numbers, a majority of drivers in fatal accidents were wearing helmets. In York County, however, drivers not wearing helmets in fatal crashes were the majority or equal to numbers of drivers that did wear helmets. Motorcycle accidents in general, including non-fatal accidents, increased from 2004 to 2016. There are more registered motorcycles on the road than in previous years, so some of the increase in fatalities may be attributed to just sheer numbers. But motorcycles are just 3.3% of registered vehicles in Pennsylvania. These days, they are involved in 15 to 16% of all vehicle fatalities, making them the least safe option on the road today.